Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, we're reviewing the First Merchants mobile banking app, which is designed to help users manage their personal or business finances directly from their smartphones. With mobile banking becoming a daily necessity for many, this app aims to provide secure and efficient access to financial tools without needing to visit a physical branch. This video explains how the First Merchants mobile banking app works and what users can expect from its features. The app allows users to check account balances, view recent transactions, transfer money between accounts, pay bills, and deposit checks using their device's camera. To get started, users need to download the app from the App Store or Google Play and log in using their online banking credentials. Once logged in, the home screen provides an overview of accounts, and tapping on any account reveals detailed transaction history. One of the notable features is mobile check deposit, which enables users to take a photo of both sides of an endorsed check and submit it through the app. This eliminates the need for branch visits for routine deposits. The app also offers bill payment capabilities, where users can add pays, schedule payments, and review upcoming bills from the Bill Pay section. For those managing multiple accounts, the internal transfer feature allows quick movement of funds between checking and savings or other linked accounts. Security is a central focus in the First Merchants mobile banking app. Users can enable biometric login, including fingerprint or facial recognition, depending on their device. In case of lost cards or suspicious activity, the app provides options to temporarily lock or report a card directly from the cards section. Alerts and notifications can also be customized, allowing users to receive updates on specific transactions or account thresholds to help prevent fraud or overdrafts. While the app is generally well rated for its simplicity and reliability, some users report occasional login issues or lags after updates. However, most feedback points to a stable experience, responsive customer service, and convenient access to essential banking tools. It is worth noting that the app is primarily tailored for current First Merchants bank account holders, and new users need to enroll in online banking before using the mobile app. Overall, the First Merchants mobile banking app provides a practical set of tools for day-to-day financial management. It supports secure mobile check deposits, customizable alerts, and bill pay features that make banking more accessible and efficient for users who already bank with First Merchants. The app offers a dependable extension of their services on mobile devices. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.